Welcome to Dr. Veda YouTube channel. Best food for hen. Dr. Veda. Feeding your hens by providing them with a balanced and nutritious diet is essential for their overall health and egg production. The best food for hens typically includes a combination of grains, seeds, vegetables, and protein sources such as insects or mealworms. Some popular options include corn, wheat, oats, sunflower seeds, leafy greens, and high-quality poultry feed. On the other hand, there are certain foods that should be avoided as they can be harmful to hens. Bad foods for hens include anything high in salt or sugar, processed foods, chocolate, caffeine, alcohol, and anything toxic to chickens such as onions or garlic. It's important to always provide fresh water and clean food sources to ensure the well-being of your hens. However, it is equally important to be aware of foods that should be avoided. Feeding hens a nutritious diet while avoiding harmful foods will help ensure their health and the quality of the eggs they produce.